everyone, my name is Diane and I'm the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender. Thank you so much for joining me. So today what I am making is a lavender orange shower steamer, and I'm also making a love spell one. I'm getting ready for the Valentine's and also like the Mother's Day season. So I want to make the love spell one, and that has notes of, I'll list it on the thing, on the screen. But this is an essential oil fragrance oil blend. And then I have my lavender here, and I have lemon, and also I have tangerine. So I'm thinking like a lavender citrusy type of uplifting scent that's great in the shower. And then I'm going to be using, I don't have my molds out, but I'll show you what those look like. And so come along with me to see how I make some seasonal shower steamers that are great for the Valentine's and also for Mother's Day. Either the raspberry red mica or the party pink mica. So I think I'm going to use this one for like a Valentine's look and feel. Smells good. Smells good. So I just wanted to show you the mold. This is a little heart mold right here, and it has a little design in there. So what I'm going to do is I'll put in some little mica, and I have some little eco-friendly sprinkles, and I think I'll put that in there too. It just gives it a little bit of glitter. And then also I have the Crafter's Choice, and these are nice heart mold too, and it's also nice and thick, so this would be a nice size for the 2 ounce. I think I can get a 2 ounce shower steamer with this. So that's what I'm working on. I have the dry mixture all set to go, and then I'm going to do the wet and just put it together. So hope you're enjoying it. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, it really does help, and let's continue. Okay, that's fine. Oh, hopefully it's okay. I had a customer come in. just finished making these, and I have decorated these here. I will do a little close-up of it so you can see that. I just put on some gold glitter and stuff, and so then I'm going to take these out of the mold, and then I have some other ones that I did too. I'll show you that. With the little heart ones, they're all nice and dry. This one here is a wild rose, and I have to decorate it. It's like the other ones in my video, shower steamers, aromatherapy. They're great for Mother's Day. That video there, so it's the same mold. So these right here are lavender orange. So this is a lavender fragrance oil, and I have tangerine essential oil in it. And what I did is I didn't show this on camera, but I actually painted right here inside. I painted it with some rubbing alcohol and some mica, and then I put a little bit of glitter in there. It's eco glitter, so it makes it nice and glittery. I had a customer come in, she's like, I need a little bit of glitter. I was like, okay, these aren't ready yet, but hey, I'm working on it. So this has a little bit of it too. So it's a little bit, oh, I'll probably have to paint this a little bit. Add a little bit of mica to it. Some other scents that I'm working on and some designs for shower steamers, and so I will have that as an upcoming video. Some scents for like men, so some shower steamers that are more in the manly kind of scent. I did the black spruce and anise. Oh, that was so good. I did that in the Christmas tree, and that smells really good, and they sold out, so so that's a really good scent. So I'm thinking, like, I have a little tree one, and I want to make a shower steamer with that. So that'll be great for men. Come along with me and see how I do that. That would be great.